What is up, guys? I am flippin' happy today because I just shaved 10 months off this process that was about to destroy me, guys. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about getting a trademark for your Amazon product brand. Now, I usually thought this was going to take 6 to 8 to 10 months to get this. I was lucky enough to stumble upon what's called the IP Accelerator program, and I'll show you guys how to get there in just a moment. Really, you just go to Seller Central, go to Apps and Services, and then you can click there, and you'll see there's a ton of other services ranging from imaging to enhanced brand content to just so much more that Amazon can handle for you. Now, they do charge a premium price, and I'll break down exactly how much I paid to get this in relation to what it costs to just get a trademark on your own. But really what this mainly did for me was save 10 months of time, because when you file for your trademark through this IP Accelerator program within Amazon, you're able to get the benefit of using enhanced brand content within 10 days. So for those of you guys who don't already know what enhanced brand content is, it gives you the ability to expand your brand story. So right within my description area, I'm now able to put way more photos and charts and graphs and things like that pertaining to my product to show customers what our brand story is all about. Now, even more important for me, and something that's really going to help me save any refunds on my electronic items, is that I'm able to now put a video right in the images section on my listing. So I'm going to go create this week a tutorial about my product, how to use it, how to charge it, and all the benefits that go along with what my product has, and it's just going to separate me from so many other competitors. I've even seen some people that are already using videos on their listing, but no one's really talking the way I'm actually going to do in my video and really sell it to my customers and let them know that I'm there, I'm US based, I have the customer support for them, and these are things that normal Amazon customers looking at any ordinary listing aren't really going to see. And this is just going to help me, again, avoid refunds, because customers that get my product, oftentimes they're like, hey, how do I charge it? Oh, it's defective, it doesn't work. And I get refunds on my expensive items because of this. Even when I have my product insert card with my phone number there, they can normally contact me. But this is going to be one extra step that's going to help safeguard my brand and listing. Now, before I tell you what I paid for all this, I want to tell you one last awesome benefit, and that's the fact that anytime someone tries to sell a similar product to yours or something and tries to hijack your listing and just sell on your listing, normally if you don't have your brand protected with a trademark, Amazon's going to let anyone just sell a product on your listing. Now, in the past, I would have to be like threatening people to say, hey, I'm going to buy this product from you, and show Amazon that it doesn't have the same logo as mine. That's how I've been protecting my items in the past from hijackers. But now within the enhanced brand content platform within Amazon, I can just press a button and get anyone kicked off my listing if they don't have my type of trademark. So it's way easier to safeguard my product that way. Now, let me tell you what all this costs. I think to get a regular trademark, it's like $225 for just the filing fee and getting your trademark application in there. Now, if you mess up on that, you have to do that again and pay more and more and more. And it is kind of a cumbersome amount of paperwork that you have to do, and if you're not doing everything right, you may file for the wrong type of trademark in the wrong classification, and it's just kind of crazy. So what I ended up paying was actually $875, and I went through Idea Legal, so that's right there again within the Apps and Services, the IP Accelerator program. They had great reviews. I just went with them in 5 seconds because I was like, hey, I need this now. This is going to save me way more money on refunds and all this other stuff if I just invest in this right now to get the trademark on my product so I can get enhanced brand content. That's the main reason I went with this, and pardon me guys, it's getting a little bright out here, but there's one last benefit that I want to share with you guys, and that's just having a trademark on your product is going to save you for the long road, okay? If anyone else decided that, hey, this guy is selling a ton on Amazon, he's killing it, and his brand isn't trademarked, they can go search up your brand name in the USPTO database, and if there's no trademark there, technically someone could go and trademark your brand name and steal your whole brand right from under your feet. Now, if you have your stuff trademarked, no one's going to be able to tamper with that. You have your name locked in on it, but that's a worst case scenario. If someone says, hey, this brand's selling so much and making so much money, I'm going to go trademark their brand before they do, and then they can go and file for the enhanced brand content through Amazon on your brand and literally just like eradicate your whole product. So I wouldn't think that's something that's likely to ever happen to you guys, but it's just one other thing I wanted to throw in there. So please drop a thumbs up if you appreciate me bringing you this video, and if you learned something new today. Drop a comment if you've filed for a trademark and you went through a different source or something than I did. But I just wanted to bring a quick video for you guys. I'm happy I had a chance to do this for you. So I'm gonna get out of here right now and I'm gonna go flip off into the distance. Peace out.